few people telling to choose objective, but few telling to create a campaign without a goal guidance. Which one is recommended? It really doesn't matter because, oh, well, it does matter a little bit. It's not critical. That's what I'm trying to say. If you create a campaign without goal guidance, Google doesn't know what you're trying to achieve, and you get all the features available, especially the bidding features in here. Whereas if you were going to go with one of these, then some of the bidding strategies and some campaign settings you don't get. So that's the only difference. But usually, if it's for lead generation, I would go with leads. If it's for e-commerce, I would go with sales. If it's an app download, app promotion, you go with app. So very rarely we do product and brand consideration and brand awareness and reach. Web traffic is just getting clicks. I'm not interested in just clicks. We are more interested in generating sales and leads for our clients.